In today's video, we are going to talk about game streaming on Facebook. In these days, this topic is a very famous topic in Sri Lanka as well as around the world, because we can make money from Facebook game streaming. Then we will talk about what is this Facebook game streaming. Facebook lets you share gaming experiences in real time with the communities you care about. Viewers can interact with you during a broadcast through likes, shares and live chat. Dedicated streamers can monetize their gaming video creator page and earn income from fan donations and ads. Then we will talk about other things about Facebook gaming. This is a level up program. Stream gaming content for at least 4 hours over 2 days within 14-day period. You require 100 followers to start earn money. Can subscribe to content creators for $4.99. It's mean in Sri Lanka 1000 rupees, or donate stars. 1 star price is $0.01. These are some most popular games in these days. They are PUBG Mobile, COD Mobile and Apex Legends. Then we will talk about how to go live. Streaming games on Facebook lets you share your play experiences with friends, followers and fans. Before you begin, set up a gaming video creator page. It's mean Facebook page. Choose an encoder. Then we will talk about steps. Go to the creator portal, click create live stream. Under choose where to post live broadcast. Select your gaming video creator page. That's mean your Facebook page. Copy the stream key and or server URL and paste into the settings of your streaming software. In this video, we talk about OBS Studio streaming software. In later, don't share your stream key. Anyone who has access to it can stream video to your post. Under service, select Facebook Live. Go to your streaming software and start streaming. You will see a preview of your stream on Facebook where the server URL and stream key are displayed. In the creator portal, tag the game and write a description for your followers. Click Go Live to begin your stream. Then we will talk about how to join Level Up. Level Up is only available to gaming video creators in certain regions. Level Up is a program you can join to unlock features and monetize your gaming stream on Facebook. When you join Level Up, you will be able to monetize your streams with stars, broadcast in high definition, 1080 pixel and get a badge added to your page. You must be 18 or older to join Level Up. How to join Level Up? Create a gaming video creator page or convert an exciting page into a gaming video creator page. Grow your Facebook page to 100 followers. Stream game content from your gaming video creator page on at least 2 days in one consecutive 14-day period. Stream game content from your gaming video creator page for at least 4 hours in the same consecutive 14-day period. You can track Level Up progress in Creator Studio. We earlier mentioned that we discussed about OBS streaming software. In order to stream games live on Facebook, you need to select download and utilize third-party broadcast software. There are many to choose from, including Open Broadcaster software. One is OBS Studio. OBS is free open source broadcast software that is used by both amateur and professional streamers. Then we will talk about Facebook Stars. Facebook Stars are only available to members of Level Up and managed partners. Facebook Stars is a feature that allows you to monetize your stream. Viewers can buy stars and send them to you while you are streaming. Fans can also send animated virtual gifts attached to different star amounts that will appear in your stream. For every star you receive, Facebook will pay you $0.01 USD. That's mean 2 rupees in Sri Lanka. You will be alert in chat when a viewer sends you stars. You can track your total star count in Creator Studio under Stars Stats. In some cases, viewers will not be able to send you stars. The following countries do not support the ability to send stars. They are Crimea, Cuba, Iran, North Korea and South Korea. Then we will talk about stars payouts. Facebook stars are only available to members of Level Up and managed partners. Stars payouts will be issued to your account approximately 30 days after the end of the month in which stars were received. For example, stars earnings you receive in June will be paid out in August. Note that stars payouts for Vietnam will be issued approximately 60 days after the end of the receiving month. International payments may take several days to arrive in your bank account. Please note that we only send payments when your total balance reaches at least $100 or 10,000 stars. Payouts may be delayed in cases where suspicious or fraudulent activity is detected. Then we will talk about creating a brand for content creating. Create a name, logo, page to make yourself more memorable and easily accessible. Identify the audience. Creating a schedule and sticking to it. Always make updated content. Engage with the audience as much as you can. Make it pleasant and an entertaining experience. These are some examples for competitive gaming. They are esports players, esports organizations, casters, visual designers and coach analytics and more. Finally, we will talk about common myths about streaming. Girls are the ones who can easily gain viewers. It is a myth. Stuck at 0 viewers. I should just give up. It is another myth. You need a godlike PC to start stream. It is also a myth. A lot of RGB. It means you want to use colors like red, green and blue more. It is also a myth. Have to play the most popular game only. It is another myth. Have to stick to one game. It is wrong. It is stupid to watch other people play games. Why don't you play the game itself? It is also a myth because game stream also like a football match because you can get lot of entertainment by watching live streams. In this video, we talked about lot of things about Facebook game streaming. We think you learn lot of things and subscribe our channel and get latest videos from the Moral Show YouTube channel. So stay with our channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.